In primetime news this evening, tense times. Stakeholders on edge as Mandeville heist marks 5th major attack on beryllium this year. Another fare increase soon? Commuters told it will come once certain issues in transport sector are fixed. And family of Trelawney attack living in fear and wants to leave Jamaica. In primetime news this evening, supporting robbers, why some Jamaicans are now cheering on gunmen who carry out heists. Not ready yet, stakeholders in Yalis worried about roads ahead of back to school. And Prime Minister dismisses talk of early general election.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Kelisha Williams. Javon Keys will have the financial week a little later on.
But for the moment, Jordan Ford has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, Archie, the World Championships may be over, but the track and field action is coming thick and fast. There's another Diamond League meet on tomorrow, this time in China. There are 11 Jamaicans down to compete, including a number of World Championships medalists. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, how ready are you for the restart of school?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.